If you want to connect your DJI microphones to use them on your MacBook, this is how you do it. You want to open up and take your receiver out of the box, and then you also want to take the adapter, the USB-C adapter that comes within it. So you just want to make sure you pull it out, and then what you want to do next is make sure that you connect this adapter to your receiver. So I'm just going to remove the little clip right here, and I'm going to put it away. And what you want to do to be careful to look out for here is to check to make sure that you put this in correctly, right? So you want to make sure that the arrows are corresponding. So you see these two arrows, the orange one and the white one on it here. You want to make sure that they're all pointing the same direction, which is down, so that you insert it like this instead of the other way around, so that the arrows are opposing like this. This is not what you want to do. So as I put it in, I'm gonna just make sure that it's fastened in nice and tight like that. It's all the way in, as you can see right there. And then next, what you want to do is just grab your MacBook and check to find where your USB-C ports are. Mine are right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect to either one of these ones. I can connect to either one of them. Okay, so now it's connected, and the next thing you want to do is make sure that it's actually on. So you can see here we have a consistent light that is not blinking, that is not doing anything. So it's making sure that it's on, just to check before you go anywhere. And then I'm going to take one of the transmitters right here, and then I'm going to take it out and make sure that it's also connected to the receiver. And if I show you right here, you can see that it's connected because we have number 2 light on right there, and it's consistent, and also on the transmitter it's also continuous. So I know that the microphone itself is connected to the receiver right there. And after this is done, now I can go ahead and go to the settings. So I want to go ahead and go to my MacBook system settings. So your MacBook system settings are right here, this one here, system settings. So I want to open that, and as soon as that opens right here, I want to go down here to where it says sound. So you just want to go where it says sound, and you want to open that, and then you want to go where it says input right here, and you want to look for wireless mic RX, this one right here. So as I'm talking into this little mic, as I'm talking into it, you can see right there that the meter is showing that there is signal right there. So even if I tap on it, which a lot of people don't like, if I tap on it like this, it will show that it's working right there. You can see that it's responding. So if you don't see the wireless mic listed here, just make sure that your receiver is turned on properly so that you can see it. And if you want to test that everything is connected, you can just go ahead and open any app that you want to open. But for me right now, I'm going to open up voice memos just to show you that the mic is working, and then I'm going to start recording like this, and then I'm just going to tap on it, and as you can see here, it's recording all my taps. I can even talk into the microphone, and there's my voice. And if I stop recording like this, I can play my recording back. I can play the tapping. Here it's recording all my taps. I can even talk into the microphone, and there's my voice. And that's it. You're ready to go. Thanks for watching.